Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the PDF is the correct version and that pages are in the right order. This saves reprints. Open the file in a viewer with full print options, Adobe Reader, Preview on Mac, or the OS Print dialog. Once open, go straight to File, then Print. This is where you control page layout. Make sure you can see page range and copies. You're now in the print interface and ready to choose how many pages will fit on each sheet. Now you select how many pages print on each sheet and why. Fewer pages mean larger legibility, more pages save paper. Pick the numeric layout, 2, 4, 6, or more, and then choose page order so reading flow is correct when folded or stapled. Make sure orientation matches the layout. Landscape often fits more pages across. Once set, tweak scaling and margins so content isn't clipped. If printing double-sided, before you hit print, use the preview to confirm pagination, orientation, and duplex flipping. This prevents wasted paper. Print a 1 or 2 sheet test to check text size, cropping, and order. If margins cut content, increase scaling or reduce pages per sheet. If order is wrong, change the page order or reverse pages. When prints misalign or features are missing, update or reinstall the printer driver and rerun the test. Once the test looks correct, print the full job with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.